Hi, this is lesson 148, Writing with Phonics. So this is our writing lesson for today. Let me go to the next slide. This is the paper that you're going to be doing today. It has two sides. It has number 181 and 182, so both sides. Now I want you to do your best writing on this. It's not a test, but I always want you to do your best. Make sure your name is on it so I know who it is if I happen to drop the papers and they go all over the floor, then I won't know who it is if it doesn't have a name. So make sure. And I can't have you stand up and sit down as I call your name. So please put your name on it. Okay, we have some capital letters. We haven't done much on capitals lately, so we're going to practice the capitals down here. I want you to watch carefully. Capitals don't go in the basement. Remember that. So I'm going to make a little bit fatter pencil lead. And we're going to do the V first. And let me adjust my tablet. Okay, here we go. Capital V starts on the top line, slants down to the bottom line, and bounces straight back up at an angle for a V. Nice straight capital V. Now the little v is the same, only it starts down here. So be very careful with that. The next capital letter that we have on this paper is the J for Jim. So capital J goes down, down, down from the top line to the bottom line, but don't go in the basement. Curves right along the bottom line and back up. So capital J. Always start with a capital on the beginning of the sentence and for names. So if Jim's name was over here, like it was Jim's van, it would still be a capital because Jim has a capital on his name. Let's go down here. This is at the very beginning of the sentence. This is the word the. So it starts with a capital, even though it's not a name. The is on the beginning, so let's do that. We're going to make a nice capital T. And we're going to start at the top line, go straight to the bottom line, don't go in the basement, and then we're going to make a nice long line. You have to leave space over here so you can go clear across. Don't be going from this out this way and then this way. I want you to make one line across, but make sure you've got enough to where you can make it a long line. Let me do that one again. So you start on the line, you go down to the bottom line. Now, I don't start here and go out. I start here and go over. So make sure you start over here a ways and go over. Okay, I'm going to clear that so I can do the next two. This is the letter M, and we did this the other day, but I'm going to go ahead and practice it again just so that we know how to do it really well. Okay, capital M, I start at the top line and go straight down. Now this one, you start at back where it was, down, up, and down again, okay? So remember, this is the starting point right here. Oops. Let me make that a different color so that the starting part, oops, it didn't work that time. Okay, there's where you start, and you go down, and then you go down, up, down, okay? Or you can make two lines and then make the V shape in between. Okay, either way is fine. I'm going to go ahead and clear that so my mess is out of the way. So let's go to the S, and it's nice, round, it's a clock letter, but it's a tall clock letter. It goes up to the line, touches it, comes around, and then it switches right on the dotted line and touches the bottom line. Don't go in the basement. So it goes this way, and then it goes the other way. Be very careful with that. And I see a lot of letters, and there's no basement letters on this side, but here's a basement letter. J is a basement letter, P's are a basement letter, and the Y. There's a J too. So make sure that your basement letters are in the basement, please. All of those basement letters. Okay, and that will be it for our Writing with Phonics today, our writing lesson for today. Okay, bye-bye.